Hey everybody, my husband shocked the hell out of me. Look what he got. Hey everybody, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. So, my husband and I went out to dinner with some friends over the weekend. Yeah, it was the weekend. And we walked into our JCPenney's because that's the only Sephora. JCPenney was Sephora. And I just wanted to swatch the Kat Von D 10th anniversary palette. Yes, it's limited edition. Yes, it's $54. But it was the second time I wanted to swatch it. And he goes, oh, just get it. Now, just so you know, we were the very last people in the store with our friends. I'm friends with the assistant manager, and I said, oh my God, are you serious? And then there was the announcement, hey y'all, you don't have to go home, but you can't stay here announcement, you know, we're closing, get out. And he said, go ahead and get it. And I went, wait, what? Is it too late? And I grabbed it and I ran to the cash wrap, and she's mine. So today we're gonna play with it, and I don't know if this is still in stock, but this is what it looks like. Oh my God, do you see these colors? Here, we'll try this again. Oh my God, do you see these colors, guys? Okay, so I'm wearing a brown shirt. I could wear whatever the hell I want for eye looks, but we're gonna play around, so stick around. that's my first try with the it's been out for like a month, but my new Kat Von D 10-year anniversary eyeshadow palette. Yay! I got it. I finally got it, and he surprised the hell out of me. If you like what you see here, well, come back tomorrow. And here's how you know how to come back tomorrow. First of all, if you hit that little thumbs up thing, it's so helpful. So the thumbs up thing here, yeah, there's one below. That's the example. So click it. And if you want to see more possible fails or something, that's not really how it should go. I should edit out the fails, right? Okay, but anyway, if you like what you see here, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Yeah, that's helpful. Helps YouTube know that other people might want to see my stuff. And if you subscribe, it's a little red thingy that looks like this, but it's actually down below, but it looks like that. Hey, then you know when I can, that tells me you love me. That's what that means. So if you hit the little subscribe thing, the red, it tells me you love me. Or like me. Tolerate me. Whatever. Something like that. And if you hit the little red bell icon, the one right over there. Yeah, right. Click all. Click on it and then hit all. Because what that tells you is when I upload. So, yeah. We'll see you guys soon. Oh, and we had a MAC event. I'm going to try and recreate the look. This could be a major fail. So, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.